Hello, welcome to Popalong RC. I'm literally just driven. I'm now sat outside Silverstone Radio Control Car Club. I'm here to meet Matthew Tunk. Those of you that race in the vintage scene in the UK will know exactly who he is. He works for Schumacher and he said he's got a car for me to run tonight. So without further ado, let's get in there and see what he's got for us. Here he is, he's got something for me, What are you doing, mate? It's nice to see you.
Oh, you're right, mate.
Yeah, I'm alright. So come close,
Fancy seeing you in.
So, you said you got something for me to run tonight, and that's either that one or that one, but...
this one's got some skid marks on the roof,
right,
so we'll
we
keep
can't
that
have
one
that
over
one,
there. Yeah, you can run this one, mate.
Can I run that? Now, I've seen this in action before, and I know it goes well.
It's alright, yeah.
So first and foremost then, what car is it?
This one's a Cougar 2 Works Classic, with a few optional extras, we'll say. It's my own personal car, mate, so I've got plenty of wishbones in stock in the bag.
No problem, we might well need these if I'm driving it. Was this kind of your idea to bring this back, or I mean, what was...
It was always going to come back, I think, in the re-release scheme of things.
Yeah.
But I had a bit of a hand in some of the upgrades and making it period correct and keeping a few of the old characteristics.
Well, it looks very nice. It's worth noting as well that you do actually work at Schumacher, don't you?
Yes,
Just to let, I'm sure you might know that already, but let's have a look under here then, because we've got some new parts on it. I understand.
So this one, it's got the chassis brace that we brought out a little while back. But in this car, I've been testing this for a few months now with the battery long ways, like it used to be before in the car.
Right.
So we're now just about to release this part on its own, or of course you can buy the complete kit, but it now comes with that way and this way, so both the options are in the packet.
Got ya. And does this, I mean, I've got the Cougar Classic, would this fit the Cougar Classic
Fits
as well?
straight on. These 4 holes are in the same places, these 2 rear holes are in the same place. The bulkhead bolts are in the same place, so
nice.
Yep, it goes on both cars. It'll also fit the top cat as well.
Brilliant. Well, I will try and do this car as much justice as I've got no excuses, because I've seen this car run, and yeah, I've just got no excuses now, but I've got to do...
Fresh set of boots on it, mate. It's ready to rock.
Fresh set of tyres, ready to rock and roll. Yep. All right. So I'm running this. What are you running? This looks interesting.
This is my Cat 3000 that I've been working on for a while.
Yeah. Wow, that is nice.
It's pretty decked out. So basically, this one started with this little metal strap back here I found in an old box, and I thought, that's Cat 3000. I haven't got one of them. So then I had the chassis made. Then I had to find the motor mount. Then I had to work out how to build the whole car.
Wow.
Basically, it's all new.
Right, a new old car.
A new old car, yeah. So we got like L1R front drive shafts, original MIP rear drive shafts.
Nice.
It's been a bit of a mare, but it's a good test bed for checking diff strengths and different bits on the carbide diff balls and stuff like that. All the nice techie stuff that I like playing with.
Yeah, we know you like to keep a nice smooth ball action, you know.
We love a set of smooth balls.
Well, it's got to be done.
It's
got to be done. Well, look, thanks for your help tonight, and I'll, as I say, I'll try to do you proud. You know what I mean? I'll try and do you proud.
Yeah.
I suppose you better charge up some batteries then, really.
Yeah, I'll just give it a quick once over, check it
quick
for any dents, get you to sign the disclaimer form.
Yeah, we'll rack up a small bill, I'm sure.
Yeah,
anyway, well, I'll go charge some batteries and we'll get
mate.
cracking.
Awesome.
Cheers, Matt. Thanks.
Enjoy.
So from the get-go, the car was absolutely flying, doing what I wanted it to do. Set up really well. Matt is an accomplished racer and obviously knows how to set those cars up, and it really showed. It was probably a better car than I am driving, to be fair, and it only got better throughout the night. But yeah, really nice car. Right, just been out for the first round. That's a very nice car to drive. Done a few little changes in terms of steering, because we have like they have, sorry, a gentleman's handshake, if you will, about tyres. So honeycombs all around for all the vintage stuff. Just levels the playing field a little bit, but they are tyres that we don't normally run, Carlo or I, so it's totally different. So I'm just sort of getting used to it, but it's quite nice in a way, because apparently these last quite a long time, so keeps the cost down a little bit. Obviously we've got glued sidewalls there because there is plenty of grip on this track, let me tell you. Round 2, let's go. Right, these are the first heat of the potential A finalists here, so let's just show you a lap with some of these guys. I'll follow the first car around actually, just to show you some of the features on this track. Alright, wait for it. Right, let's follow car 1. Wow, that is seriously quick. Wow, that's got some pace, that thing. That is absolutely a well-dialed machine, believe me, because he's going super fast and it's not grip rolling. There's so much grip on this track as well. Looking really good there. Wow, straight down straight there. So listen, if you don't know, this is just qualifying, and I say it every time. No one's racing, so to speak. You're just literally trying to get a good time, so you get to be placed up the front for the final. I'd like to talk you through it, but to be honest, I think the driving's kind of speaking for itself here. Yeah, we've got a few of the younger guys racing on this one, and to try and keep up with the young ones, well, that's pretty difficult. But that's how you do it, that's how you get around this track fast. Right, I'm back actually, because I want to follow this car. This is Luke Upton's car here, and that is absolutely flying, looking really, really good. He's a very good driver, this young man. Definitely one to look out for in the future, without question. Right, you come up to me earlier, didn't you? Showed me your car. What car is it? Can you remember?
No.
It says it there, the Vantage. It's the Vantage. You done well there. That's the Vantage, yeah. Vantage, that's right. So, are you going to have a late night tonight then?
Yeah.
Don't matter, does it?
Yeah.
Don't worry about that. Well done, mate. Good to meet you. I'll see you trackside soon, yeah?
Yeah.
Cheers, mate. So here we have, you might remember, I actually drove one of these Predators. It was an original at Revival a couple of years ago. Look at that. How nice is that? That is an absolute work of art. I think I might get myself one at some point. Well, I would, but I can't afford it. How nice is that? Right, so this is a prototype. So these are getting, am I right in saying they're getting remade? Is that right?
Yeah. So yeah, basically we've remade the Predator with a proper strong tub. Won't break the front or the back off. It's got a modern slipper in it. It's going to have big bore shocks that the other cars are running. But it's going to use the same type drive shafts, so that it's still eligible for the 93 class. So you'll be able to run a vintage Predator in the 93 class.
Wow. When is it available?
Easter.
Around about Easter time. Guys, you might be able to get your hands on one of these. I'm so glad I came tonight to see that. That is absolutely stunning. About time these cars came back, if you ask me. There he is over there, Matt. He really does help everybody, this guy, let me tell you. You see him trackside, salute him. He's been literally helping everybody who's come over here today, me included. A real true legend of the RC vintage scene, without question. A wealth of knowledge. I'm doing well with this car on a different subject. I think the last round was my best round, and I just think I'm just not used to running these tyres, and it's a really different experience, let me tell you. But a lovely car, going round really well. Really good night, enjoying myself. And there he is again. Look at that car. That is a... I'm pretty sure that's a Predator. Look at him, helping everybody. What a legend. Okay, I've just done the final and I came fourth. I am happy with that. Unfortunately, I didn't get any footage because Carl is on holiday and has left me all alone. But I've got to give the car back now, so I've taken everything out. Massive thanks to Mr. Tunks over here. Good lad. I'm going to film the A final now. Right, these are the A finalists. It is. I'm going to walk up here now. Now, it is customary on the Popalong videos of late to video the final for you all. This is going to be good because we have got some fast people in this race here. We got father and son duo, Pete and Abe, so it should be good. And then we got this young man here. So this is going to be good. Right, so we've got Abe at the front here, Joshua, and then we've got Pete, and then we've got Luke. The rest of the field. So let's see how this lot will get on, shall we? This is going to be a bit of a masterclass because these drivers seriously know what they're doing. We've got so much grip here. Now, as they always say, these races are not won nor lost on the first lap. So Abe is away, absolutely putting the hammer down, flying with that bright yellow car. Actually, it's quite a good idea to get a bright colour shell for obvious reasons. You can see where the car is when they're going this fast, man. He's pulling away from the field. He's already coming up to back markers there. Incredible. Absolutely flying. The car, of course, is absolutely well set up. It's a Cougar LD3. However, there's a little bit of a battle between these two. I'm going to keep my eye on these front runners, to be quite honest, because we have got, as I say, a little bit of a battle going on between these two. Abe's, no, he's coming up to back mark. He's going to maybe slow him up a bit. I believe that's Josh with a pink there. Oh my days, now they're ever so close. Right, okay, we have got a true battle on here. They're going to be absolutely loving this. Right, all eyes on these two. All eyes on these two. Now it's interesting because they are considerably quicker than a lot of the cars on track, so they're going to be moving. Sorry, back markers are going to be moving away for these guys. But Abe is holding his own. He's absolutely holding form. That's half the battle, you know, because for anyone that doesn't race, you know, these are 5-minute races. When you say 5 minutes, it's, you think, well, that's not long, but actually, he's just made a mistake there. I think Abe's away now. But honestly, 5 minutes does seem like a fairly long time if you are having a really good battle with somebody, trust me. Now, I would follow some of the others, but I don't know where anybody else is. So we're just going to keep all eyes on Abe here and keep watching him. See how close that was? I mean, that's a testament to how good this young man is. He's very, very close to every apex there. And you've got to be, you know, you've got to be absolutely pushing every step of the way. No time to let off whatsoever, because this is the A final and everybody in this final can drive, let me tell you. We've met Abe and Pete a few times, nice You know, they are at the top of the game, to be quite honest. They're right at the sharp end of this hobby. I say hobby, it's a sport to these guys. Okay, we're kind of coming up to 4 minutes in. Real nice masterclass there on how to get these cars around the track. That's well set up. I'm not too sure. I should have asked what kit is running in there, but I didn't. Nevertheless, he's absolutely tearing up the field here. 1 minute left. Okay, we'll stick with it. So I think he's pretty much got this one in the bag. I've had a really good night here at the Silverstone RC Car Club. Great club, very welcoming, loads of different abilities here. Great to run vintage today. Massive, huge shout out to one of the nicest guys in the RC vintage scene, Mr. Matthew Tunks. What a legend. His car didn't miss a beat, and it was actually just coming to me as we finished. So maybe we'll have to organise another time where I can borrow that car again and give it another run. But in the meantime, if you like what you see, like, subscribe, hit the old ding dong bell, and we'll see you on another video. Abe's got the winner there. A flawless run from Abe Lyons. Well done, young man. See you on another video.